Hello babes, so for today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to do your own acrylic nails. So everything on the screen I purchased from eBay except for the nail clippers. I will try and link everything that I got down below. Okay, so let's get started. First, I'm going to remove the shine from my natural nail using this nail file. This will help with lifting and it'll help the acrylic to adhere more to your natural nail. Now I'm just going to take this cuticle pusher. I'm not sure if this is an actual cuticle pusher, but I'm using it to push back my cuticles and get them out of the way and prepare for the acrylic to be placed. Now I'm going to take this nail glue and apply the false tips. As you can see, I'm having a hard time opening the nail glue. Literally, it took me like 30 minutes to get this open. So hard. As you can see, it's all bitten up. The top is all bitten up because I was trying to open it. But yeah, so now we're just placing the false tips onto the nails. I personally like using clear nail tips just because they look more cute and they won't contrast with any nail color that I choose to put on my nails. So yeah, we're just going to do that. Also, when applying fake nails, you have to ensure that you're not putting on nail tips that are too small because eventually they'll crack and they'll pop off easily after application. So just make sure to be placing the correct size onto your nails. Now I'm just shaping my nails. I'm going to do the stiletto shape with the nail clipper, and I'm just using my hand that is already done. I'm using that to compare with the hand that I am currently doing so that it's even. Now I'm going to apply primer. Make sure to apply primer because primer also definitely helps with lifting in the cuticle area. So now I'm just trying to perfect my stiletto shape. And yeah. Now the shape is done, so we are ready to apply acrylic. Using a dampened dish, I put the monomer inside of there and I have the acrylic powder right next to it. I decided to do ombre nails, so what you see me doing now is placing the white part right now, and I'm placing the white part on the top of the nail towards the top and just smoothing that out. I'm using powder as needed, and now I gave you guys a close-up so you can see what I'm doing. Now I'm applying the pink at the cuticle and meeting up where the white stops. I do the pink after the white because the pink is lighter than the white and I feel like it blends into the white more easily. Also, a tip for beginners is to use smaller acrylic balls and build your nail that way so that your nails isn't too bulky and you don't have to do so much filing and sanding at the end. So yeah, I think it's best to use smaller balls. Now I'm just capping the nail with clear acrylic powder and making sure my brush is clean. As you guys can see, now I am perfecting my shape and filing the surface of the nail down so it can be nice and smooth.
2 hours later.
I put a condom on it, and you wouldn't surprise me if he did smash her, but let's say Tina's a grown-ass woman, and if that's what she's doing, then that's...
As you guys can see, I even took a break because filing took so long. Okay, sis, let's speed it up. So yeah, I'm still filing. Filing took forever, which is why I gave you guys the tip to use smaller acrylic balls so that you won't have to file for days. Now I'm just going to take this buffer and buff the nails just to ensure that the nails are smooth. Buffering was quick, so that's a plus. And now the nails are ready for polish. Since I have ombre nails, I'm just going to take this clear nail polish, do 2 coats, and call it a day, and my nails will be complete. I personally did not like the set that I purchased from eBay, but it did get the job done. The set was from China, so it is expected to have kind of a cheap quality. Since then, though, I've gotten the Mia Secret acrylic system, so if you guys would like to see me do a refill with the Mia Secret, then like or comment down below. I also got a much better brush, but nevertheless, your nails are done for the low and ready to slay. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video.